New details tonight on the fire that tore through Youth Sports Club in Fairhaven over the weekend.
The decades-old Thomas Livesey Memorial Club held decades of memories for many people in the community, but it was gutted in a matter of hours in an early morning fire. Eyewitness News reporter Erica Ritchie talked to the deputy fire chief today. She joins us now live from Fairhaven from the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom. Erica?
Yeah, Mike, this has been a tough day for so many in this Fairhaven community, especially this gentleman right over here. I want to point your attention to John Rodrigues. He is the president of the club that burned last night. He just got here just a moment ago. Been a lot of paperwork for him, but a broken heart as well, because if we can swing the camera this way, you can see what's left of the club that has been such a dear part of his life for so long. It was a total loss before firefighters even had a chance to save it. That's what fire officials told me this afternoon as I learned why it torched so fast and furiously.
There was no fire alarms, there was no sprinkler system.
So when a flame sparked at the Livesey Club in Fairhaven early Sunday morning, it had no choice but to ignite. And because the building was built nearly 70 years ago, it didn't have to meet current fire safety standards.
At the time it was built, it met the current code requirements.
This is what firefighters saw when they arrived after responding to a 911 call from a neighbor around 4 a.m. Their only goal was to contain and extinguish. That occupied the remaining pre-dawn hours. Daybreak was expected to bring an investigation into the cause, but the roof collapse kept fire officials at bay, leaving them to make early speculations based on conversations with neighbors and members.
We don't believe there was any malicious intent here. We're looking more towards electrical, but until we get inside safely, we won't be able to determine the cause.
So in the meantime, the deputy fire chief joins the rest of the community in sharing memories of the athletic club.
As a kid, I played for one of their baseball teams in the Little League.
And finding ways to keep the institution alive through things like this GoFundMe page that is already at a quarter of the way to their $5,000 goal in just one day.
It's a deep loss to the community. Hopefully they can rebuild quickly.
And that GoFundMe page, by the way, has already gone up another $200 and some odd since we shot that video. So certainly support is pouring out from the community. Now let's talk about that rebuilding. Take a look behind me. The front of the building here where you see the roof collapse. This is the original building, and the building inspector has deemed this condemned. It is not able to be used again, but there is some hope here because all the way in the back of the building, there is an addition that was put on there. That is deemed structurally sound. So the members of the club, if they so choose to, can rebuild off of that. And from my conversation with Mr. Rodrigues just a short time ago, that's definitely going to be the plan in some way, shape, or form, because they are not going to let this institution die, even though a fire ripped through it. That's the very latest live in Fairhaven tonight. I'm Erica Ritchie, Eyewitness News.